Hi, I'm Victoria Papalian, Chief Operating Officer at Udacity. Most enterprises invest heavily in upskilling, but the real challenge is knowing whether those skills actually show up in day-to-day work. At Udacity, learning looks a lot like work. Instead of passively consuming content, learners are building real projects that mirror the types of problems they're solving in their current roles. With access to more than 300 hands-on projects designed by industry experts, learners work on real business problems, using the same tools, data, and constraints they encounter on the job. Imagine you're an enterprise learner completing training. When you complete your training, the business still can't confidently say, yes, this person can do the work. Project-based learning helps close that gap. And we've seen this work. At one global client, learners didn't just complete projects. They were able to present their work directly to senior stakeholders, not as an exercise, but as an input into real business decisions. At another client, teams applied their project work to improve internal processes and accelerate delivery. Learning wasn't something separate. It was fully integrated in the flow of work. When people practice solving real problems during learning, they spend less time ramping and more time delivering. Learners turn knowledge into real capability and real capability into execution. That's why enterprises choose project-based learning with Udacity.